Want to master data structures and algorithms, but don't know where to start? Tired of feeling stuck or overwhelmed with DSA? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can master DSA in 2025. I'll break down the roadmap, essential resources, and proven strategies that'll help you become a DSA pro in no time. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that's absolutely crucial for every developer: data structures and algorithms, or DSA. Whether you're preparing for coding interviews, building complex software, or just leveling up your problem-solving skills, mastering DSA is key to becoming an efficient coder. In 2025, DSA is still at the heart of every major interview at top tech companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon. But it's not just about interviews. Having a strong foundation in DSA helps you write better, more efficient code, which is a huge advantage in any real-world coding job. Now, if you're just getting started with DSA, don't worry. Everyone starts somewhere. The key is to build a strong foundation. Start by learning the basic data structures like arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, and hash maps. Take your time to understand how each data structure works. For example, with arrays, understand how indexing works and how memory allocation is done. With linked lists, focus on how nodes are connected and how operations like insertion and deletion are carried out. Once you're comfortable with the basics, dive into more advanced structures like trees, graphs, heaps, and tries. But don't rush it. Take it step by step. Start solving problems from beginner level and gradually move on to intermediate and advanced. Platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and Codeforces are great for this. Pick problems that are tagged by data structure or algorithm type, like problems that focus on arrays, linked lists, or dynamic programming. One of the most important parts of mastering DSA is learning how to optimize your solutions. Writing code that works is great, but writing efficient code is even better. Always try to optimize your solutions in terms of time and space complexity. For example, if you can solve a problem in ON time instead of ON squared, that's a huge improvement. Focus on learning how to analyze your solution's complexity and refactor it to make it more efficient. Next, let's talk about algorithms. Start by understanding sorting and searching algorithms like quicksort, merge sort, and binary search. These form the basis of many problems you'll encounter. Then, dive into advanced algorithms like dynamic programming, which is key for solving optimization problems, and graph algorithms like BFS and DFS. Resources are your best friend in this journey. Here's a quick list of my top DSA learning resources for 2025. Books like Introduction to Algorithms by Corman, Leiserson, Rivest, and Stein are a classic for theory. But if you prefer video content, check out FreeCodeCamp or Abdul Bari. Finally, don't get discouraged. DSA can be challenging, and at times you might feel stuck. But remember, every coder has been there. The key is consistency and practice. Keep challenging yourself, and you'll gradually see the improvement. Remember, mastering DSA is a marathon, not a sprint. So keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll definitely see results. If you have any questions or want me to cover anything specific, leave a comment down below. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next one.